What's up, guys? Oh, fuck. What's up, guys? Today I got a very good fishing challenge video for you guys for surf perch. Based on this video will be based on the challenge of trying to get surf perch with the Berkeley power bait, honey power worm. This is usually for trout fishing, but that's a challenge. I'm gonna try to use this trout lure or bait, whatever, and try to catch some surf perch on it. So we'll see how that goes today. I'm gonna go out there, try to catch some fish. Hopefully I catch some fish for you guys. But yeah, the challenge is for today is catching surf perch on some Berkeley power bait, power honey worm. Looking like this. It's like maggots, but it's just plastic maggots. Yeah, so we're gonna go out there. Well, I'm gonna go out there, try to catch some few perch, or hopefully catch a lot of perch for you guys to see. So stay tuned. Let's go catch some jumbo perch. Let's go surf perch. Hi guys, it's a little bit windy, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yep, got a 4-ounce weigh-in at the bottom. I'm basically using a higher low rig. Using a high low rig, where you use the bottom at the bait, use the weight, heavy weight at the bottom, and you just tie two hook on top. That's a higher low rig for you guys for surf perching, especially when waves are tough and big like this. You want to use a higher low rig. Man, the wind is just horrible today though, but I got confident though. Even though the wave look kind of big, I'm confident because I got a higher low rig with a 4-ounce weight. All right, the Berkeley power bait, power honey worm. I'm gonna use 2, so that way they can be a little longer. Ah, damn, my worm came out. Alright, that's the first hook, the bottom hook. So in the first hook, I'm gonna use this guy, the green one. It's the same one, but just different color. There it goes. All right, high-low rig. waves are rough today. All right. Old Faithful setup. Let's see how that goes. Gotta keep moving. Got one. Got one. Ooh, got one. Ooh, got a rocky. Ooh, look at this. Yeah, the chasing baits on the shore. I saw all these little bait that were splashing on the on the shore, so on the surface. So I threw my sabiki rig shore. Not shore. Threw my sabiki rig just right there on the shore, like not even that far. And then, guess what? I knew it. I knew these guys would be chasing them. Nice blackie. On a sabiki rig. Nice. Nice little chunk. This spot right here have a very nice deep spot right there. So which is really good for me. It's a really deep spot. Ooh, got one. Got one. That was a good bite. Oh, got a little fish. Little blackie or something. Oh man, these guys are up on the shore. They're definitely up on the shore. Whoa. Calm down, little boy. It's super small for... Look at this little guy. Small blackie. Woo! God damn it. Hate their spikes. These guys got some good spike. These guys are definitely chasing bait. Got one. Got a good one. I don't know what is it. Ah, it's a blackie. It's a blackie. Chasing bait. It's what a blackie do. Chasing bait. It's what these blackie do. Look at that. fixing baits, eh? Sharp teeth. Got one. Yeah, I don't know what is it, but it's pretty light though. Another blackie. Small blackie. Okay, these guys don't want it all the way down. Look, this is my second. This is my second sabiki rig tie right here. First, second, so that means they're up shallow. They're very up shallow up top. Nice, you can tell it's very up shallow with the black skin, really light. Two in a row. Let's see if we can get three. Got one finally. Took long enough. I feel like it's a small guy. Yep. These guys are smaller than the one that I fished on the other side. These blackie compared to the other side, these blackie are so smaller. The other side have bigger. Yeah, it feels so cold. Ooh, nice black rockfish. I swear, black rockfish is black rockfish is just like the sea version of freshwater bass. That's why I love fishing for them. All right, little buddy. Sorry, guys. I'm up here at the jetty. There is no chance of going down there.